Hi, I'm Tony Christmas. This is a song with only two chords, very easy to play, very easy to sing, fun and great in the group, and it's called "L'lL LIZA JANE." 1, 2, 3, 4. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane, away down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. I've seen a girl at 4:30, little Liza Jane. Get on the train to Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. The prettiest girl I've ever seen, little Liza Jane. The prettiest girl in 3 counties, little Liza Jane. The sun shines bright when she smiles at me, little Liza Jane. Moonlight night neath willow tree, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Now I love her and she loves me, little Liza Jane. Sitting by the willow tree, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. This is a traditional song. It's become perennial standard both as a song and as an instrumental in traditional jazz, folk music, bluegrass, and also as a children's song and a clapping game. There are references to being sung by slaves before the American Civil War, but it probably goes back even further than that in various forms. Young enslaved people enjoyed the rituals and festivals of Saturday night dances, also known as florrics, where they sang, danced and courted members of their communities. The first printed publication seems to have been in 1910 with Countess Ada de Lascaux, a songwriter from Brooklyn, New York, being credited as the composer. One of the pioneers of rock and roll music, Fats Domino, and the American singer, songwriter, pianist, composer, arranger and civil rights activist Nina Simone have recorded it, but there are also various alternative versions of this title, but different words, melody and treatment. Well, as I say, this is a very easy song with only 2 chords, chords 1 and 5/7 in whatever key you choose. I'm singing in the key of F, so we're using the chord of F and C7. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza, C7 Jane. Way down you're in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. And that's it. Then you take that last line. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. And that's all there is to it, just those 2 chords. I've also written the score in the key of C, so it's a chord of C and the chord of G7. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza. Pattern's exactly the same, and it's just a question of which one suits your voice better. It's a fun song. It's a great song to sing in a group, get everybody going. Anyway, I hope you like it, and whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.